is Lina. I am 12 years old. What do you think you will be doing when you are 70 years old? When I am 70 years old, I will read a book at home. Because I can learning many things, I can more smart. First, I can learning many things. For example, when I'm grandma, I doesn't have many knowledge, so I am reading many books. I can have many knowledge, so I can have many skill business. Also, I can do many work. Second, I can become more smart. For example, 70 years old is a little smart. So I'm very tired. So I'm become very smart thing. Conclusion, when I 70 years old, I will reading a book. What do you think you will be doing when you are 70 years old? It changed with your personality. Thanks for listening my presentation.